Hi folks, I thought I'd make a short video. I'm going to try to keep this short on where I'm at. I've decided I'm going to take a shot at fixing the problem on this radio. So you go into page 14 of the manual and you look at the unlock signals, and it talks about all the PLLs problems. And so here's your 5 PLLs, and all you need is a meter for this, and it tells you where to go looking and what you're looking for. And it says, okay, pin 2 will be high, pin 7 will be high, pin 7 will be high unless pin 2 will be high, pin 7 will be high. And so it says which one of your PLLs is causing your unlocked signal. In my case, it happened to be PLL2, of course. So set that aside. I made copies of the pages out of the book, and so here's the artwork for PLL2, and I pulled the board. My trimmer's acting up, and I don't get much time to work on this, so I got the shield back off of it, and I've actually got a few components pulled off the boards, and I put them in these little bags and set them aside. They're off over here, and I'm surprised how much stuff is still on here. I've got a lot more to pull off. This is going to be a labor of love. It's going to take me a long time. I gotta wait for days when my hands don't shake like they are today. So I can't do this today. They're just shaking too much to use my soldering iron screws. And pull the boards off of this. There's a Big Apple 59 has one of these boards ready to go for $200 plus shipping. Yeah, right. I'm sorry. Sorry, Randy. I don't have $200 right now. But anyway, this is where I'm at. I'll keep you posted. Maybe by Christmas I'll have all this off and the board cleaned up. And I'm surprised how dirty some of these parts really are. Anyway, 4 minutes, enough time. I gotta be moving along. It's a lot of work to get all them. There's a lot of parts stuffed in such a small area. Sorry to keep you so long, folks. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and stay warm and be safe.